I can confirm also na may personal knowledge ako na he is not detained, he is free as a bird, and everything that Bangag Jr. said is fake news. Kaya malakas ang loob ko na yung tao mismo na pinag-uusapan na nagsabi sa akin, everything is fake news. Nako, usaping bangag na naman tayo ngayong araw at mukhang nasobrahan ng singhot at kung ano-ano ang sinasabi sa buong daigdig ng most famous bangag of the Philippines.
And of course, may bago na siyang tatak nga, may bago na siyang ngayon, brand. 'Di ba? Father of fake news.
Father of fake news. Kaya naman fake news yung kanyang tagasalita kasi nga yung kanyang principal, fake news purveyor din, no? So syempre pareho silang gumugulong-gulong sa fake news. Well, simulan natin, partner. Baka naman sabihin nila tayo ay kritiko lang kaya sinasabi natin fake news itong Marcos Bangag, no? Ano ba talaga ang sinabi niya tungkol kay Zaldico? Bongbong Marcos. April, ano ba ito? Hindi ko mabasa.
16
at 6:42 a.m. Wow, ang
sa time
aga.
ko yan eh. Sa time ko yan. Pero sa time nila, mga mag-alas 12 ng midnight.
Okay. Ano yan? Obviously, meron na namang hit, no?
Hit.
Nahuli na si Zaldico. He is now detained in Prague after crossing into the Czech Republic without proper documentation and is currently in the custody of Czech authorities. We are in close coordination with the Czech government to ensure that all legal processes are followed, and to arrange for his return to the Philippines at the soonest possible time. We will keep the public informed as developments unfold. Okay. Una-una, bakit yan fake news? Well, una-una, hindi po siya nadetena. Ngayon, sumagot ang Czech police. Anong sabi ng Czech police? He was the subject of a law enforcement. Ano ba yung sabi nila? Sa Rappler, sumagot sila sa Rappler na ginamit na ni Bangag eh. He's the subject of law enforcement action. Walang sinabi na he was detained. Walang sinabi he was taken into custody. At syempre, walang sinabi he was arrested. Okay?
Yes.
Unang-una, galing na sa Czech authorities. Binigay dun sa Rappler. Okay? Yung Rappler at nag-exclusive sila, no, na he is the subject of a law enforcement, ano bang sabi? Law enforcement...
hindi ka nabasa yung ng Rappler.
Basta sabi ng Czech police, law enforcement action ata. He's the subject of law enforcement action. Walang detention at walang arrest. Okay? At kaya nga sinabi kong fake news dahil ako, may personal akong pagkakaalam na hindi siya naka-detena.
Ako din, di ba tinawagan ko?
Okay? He is free as a bird. Okay? Hinahamon ko si Bongbong Marcos, aka Bangag. Sige nga, pakita nga ng record at saka larawan man lang ng mga parehas itong Zaldico.
Folks, nandito na. Nakita ko na yung statement ng Rappler para mas maano natin.
Mas mahimay natin. A letter sent by Czech police to Rappler confirms their language that a person named Elizaldico was the subject of law enforcement action. Tama ako, in the country. While they did not use the word arrest or detention, they called it an intervention. Di ba? Walang custody, walang detention, walang arrest. Full stop. Ano ibig sabihin yan? Alam mo kasi may personal experience ko dito sa Europe. Naalala mo, partner, nung ako ay una nilang tangkaing padala dito sa Austria na ayaw ko dahil meron akong medical certificate na not fit to fly. So, nung tinanong ako ng piloto, do you want to take this flight? Sabi ko, no, I have 2 medical certificates saying that I'm not fit to fly. So, why would they force me to fly? So, pinababa ako. Nung pinababa ako, sabi nila, we will wait for the public prosecutor because hindi nila alam if they will charge me with anything. Kapag sila ay charge ako with something, then I will be arrested. But at that point, sinabi lang nila, let's wait for the public prosecutor. So ganyan ang proseso sa inquisitorial system na umiiral sa buong Europa, hindi lang sa Netherlands, no? So ang tingin ko nangyari dyan, yung legal intervention, pinaantay lang nila si Zaldico hanggang dumating ang public prosecutor na ganoon ang nangyari sa akin sa airport ng Amsterdam. At pagdating ng public prosecutor, that was when I was informed. the immigration wants to charge you with blah, blah, blah violation of immigration laws, no? What do you say? Sabi ko, how could I have violated the immigration laws when I voluntarily took my seat in the plane, but I also answered truthfully a question asked of me from the pilot. Do I want to take the flight? I said no, because I have medical certificates saying I'm unfit to fly. And because of that, sabi ng prosecutor, okay, he may go, you will not be charged with anything. So, yung intervention na yun, it's as simple as that. Paantayin ka lang kasi nga ang inquisitorial system, yung piskal, kinakailangan, ura-urada, haharap at titignan kung may kaso. At right there and then, kung may kaso, tsaka sila magsasampa ng reklamo sa'yo at dun ka pala aarestuhin. Pero meanwhile, I was not in custody. I was requested to wait for the public prosecutor na I'm sure ganyan ang nangyari kay Zaldico. Dahil siya ay being charged, di umano, sabi rin ni Bangag, ng illegal entry without proper documentation. No? So, hindi siya detained, hindi siya under custody. He was, tama siguro yun, no? Law enforcement intervention kasi nga, he was asked to wait for the public prosecutor. Yan ang nangyari sa akin. But wala akong record of arrest, wala akong record of having been detained, wala akong record of having been in custody. Kaya nung tayong dalawa ay nagtatanong sa kapulisan, wala talagang record na merong na-arrestong Elizaldico.
Yes. So second paragraph, folks, paliwanag natin sa ating mga kababayan.
That is noteworthy because it constitutes independent confirmation from Czech authorities that official police action involving Ko took place, even as exact legal nature of that action has not yet been specified. Kalokohan na yan. Opinion na yan ng Rappler. Kasi hindi sinabing arestado, hindi sinabing in custody, hindi sinabing na-detain, conclusion na lang yan ng Rappler. Dahil nga ang Rappler, alam mo naman yan, hindi ko alam kung bakit ngayon talagang kasabwat nila itong mga bangag, di ba?
Okay. Tignan mo yung last na paragraph. Basahin mo.
It comes amid efforts by some personalities and bloggers to completely dismiss without proof the president's announcement that Ko had been arrested. Ano ba bang proof ang gusto niyo? Kayo na nga kumuha ng konfirmasyon na hindi inaresto, hindi na-detene. Ano pang proof ang gusto ninyo? Pangalangan niyo na ako at ikaw. Pangalangan niyo si Aring Roque, si Maharlika. O di ba? Kami ang nagsabi ng totoo at ang fake news ang presidente dahil hindi sinabi ng kapulisan ng Austria na naaresto, na-detain o na-custody nila si Zaldico. Kasi kung naaresto, na-detain at na-custody, edi sinabi na nila. Pero kasi yung ginawa sa aking proseso, kaya ako kampante na sinasabi kong fake news yan, yung time na nag-aantay kami sa pulis, antay lang yun. You're not in custody. Wala, you're not under arrest. Kaya hindi ka babasahan na kahit anong karapatan mo kasi yung Miranda rights naman nakabahagi yan ng human rights law, applicable yan worldwide, no? So kinakailangan basahan ka kung bakit ka na-detene, no? Walang ganun. Inantay lang ang public prosecutor para ang public prosecutor ayon sa reklamo ng immigration magde-decide kung sasampahan ng kaso o hindi.
Correct. So ngayon, lumalabas talaga na alam naman natin dalawa na the moment na in-announce yan ni Bangag, ako'y nagtatatawag na.
Correct.
Ko na lahat.
Alam mo, itong Rappler too late the hero Ba't kasi hindi sila tumawag sa mga pulis kaagad, no? Nag-antay pa sila at that time, no? At saka ayan, sumagot na nga yung pulis, binabaluktad pa sinasabi ng pulis. Pwede ba yun? Dapat the language of the police answer is controlling. Bakit sila nagbibigay ng ibang lengguwahe at ibang interpretasyon? Diba?
Yes. So,
hindi sinabing arestado, hindi sinabing detained, hindi sinabing under custody. So, walang ganyan.
Wala. And also, nagsalta si Attorney Garbin, yung abogado ni Zaldico, na may nag-text daw sa kanya o nag-message sa kanya na malapit na kapamilya na tinanong niya kung kumusta si Zaldico, ang sabi niya, everything is fine.
Well, I can confirm also na may personal knowledge ako na he is not detained, he is free as a bird, and everything that Bangag Jr. said is fake news. Kaya malakas ang loob ko na yung tao mismo na pinag-uusapan na nagsabi sa akin, everything is fake news.